are moving out to a new studio. This is gonna be the new office, the new studio. Kitchen, going to be kitchen here. And this is gonna be editing studio. This is gonna be a place with working table. We are moving here. Alright, this is gonna be the new office, and this is gonna be the computer room and the display of the equipment, and we have this gonna be fully partitions, and this is gonna be a working place, and the studio is that side, the kitchen studio. This will be removed, this will be covered, and that's gonna be covered. See how big it is. It's like very big. The can wall is the one doing it.